Um, a group of 4 adults and 5 children are visiting an amusement park. Admission is $15 per adult. 15 per adult means per one adult, and $9 per one child. Okay, find the total cost of the admission for the group. All right, so this is easy. Look, if I have 15 per adult, okay, so it's $15. How many adults do I have? 4, so it's 15 times 4. And then how much is it per child? $9. So it's $9 times how many kids do I have? 5. All right, easy enough. So 15 times 4 is 60. And then 9 times 5 is 45. And the total for my day out needs to be added. So 60 plus 45 is $105. So for my day out, it's $105. Okay? All right. Next one, here's Tuesday. Tuesday says complete the table. If X is 1, if X is 2, if X is 3, what would this then be? All right. So you have to put the value for X in this expression, okay, and then solve for it. So if X is now 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. All right. If X is now 2, they're saying now if X is 2, 2 plus 6, that would be 8. Okay. If X is 3, 3 plus 6 then would be 9. Okay, they just want you to finish out that table. That's it. Okay, here's the next one. Here's Wednesday. Evaluate. That just means solve. Okay, evaluate. If A is 4, if B is 5, if C is 10, what would this then be? All right, so everywhere that you see these variables, the C, the A, and the B, you want to put in these values that they give you, okay? They're kind of giving these clues. Like they're giving you these numbers for these values. So what I would do is I would rewrite this. So if you have 9C, we'll shoot what's C? C is 10, okay? And I know I need to multiply because that is invisible math there. All right, so I'm going to show it over here with parentheses because that just means to me multiplication. All right, now you have addition, 2, and in parentheses, A plus B. Well, look, I'm going to take a shortcut. I'm just going to go ahead and add A plus B, which I know is 9. Okay, so I'm going to just write it over there like that. So all I did was I took these values and I put them into these variables here. All right, and I put them over here. So 9C, 9 times 10, which is 90, plus 2 times A plus B. Well, A plus B is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. All right. And then 90 plus 18 is 108. So 108 is your answer. Okay. Good job. All right. The next one says find the area of the shaded region. Well, the shaded region is just this shaded region, just what they say. Okay. And the shape that they give you is a parallelogram. And anytime you work with a parallelogram, it's base times height, okay? So your base and your height always have to be at this 90 degree. They always have to be at this 90 degree. It cannot be slanted, all right? That's just an edge. So anytime you work with this formula, it has to be at a 90 degree, okay? So that's why they give you this as an indicator to let you know that this, in fact, and this, in fact, are the base and the height. Now, it doesn't matter if this is the base or if that's the base, because it could be looked at either way. The base could be on the side or the bottom. I mean, typically we think of the base at the bottom, but I mean, it's fine. As long as it's this 90-degree connection here between this line and this line, you'll have these two measurements become true, okay? So 4 times 6 is 24, but that would be this entire shape, all right? So we want everything minus that, everything except that. So this right here is a 2 by 2, which is 4. So you want to subtract 4 from this, and you end up with 20 meters squared. And you always want to use squared because that's area, because area covers the entire shape. It's the coverage of it, okay? All right, good job.